At a press briefing held today at the National Unit Platform Party headquarters in Makerere Kavule, Electoral Commission Committee Chairperson Mrs. Harriet Chemutai announced that over 7,784 individuals have expressed interest in running for various positions under the NUP flag. Among them, 950 aim to contest for parliamentary seats, over 300 for woman MP positions, and 3,000 for councillorship. She affirmed that with such overwhelming interest, NUP is here to stay and ready to lead the country. Leader of Opposition and Nakawa West MP Joel Ssenyonyi urged NUP members to stay focused on the struggle for power, ignore internal distractions, and recognize the ruling NRM and President Yoweri Museveni as the party's only true opponents. Ssenyonyi urged arts teachers to use their power to vote out the government, saying it neglects them. He criticized the salary disparity, noting science teachers earn 4 times more, calling it an insult. He warned them not to be fooled by government promises.
Honestly, because you're all at degree level, you all teach the same man hours, but one is earning 4 times the other. It's not right. And we're saying, let's have equal pay for these people. When the science teachers retire, their pension on a monthly basis is twice the basic salary of an art teacher.
He also condemned the government for neglecting coffee farmers, saying its laws fail to protect them, especially now, as harvest seasons in countries like Brazil heavily impact local farmers and their produce.
We've seen what's happened with the prices of coffee. It's become a very problematic situation. We were here, we told them, we said, you people, let's fight together. This issue here is going to come to bite you. And you saw those who were saying, make sure these Uganda don't get the numbers. Now you can see what's happening. Of course, yes, other countries, Brazil and so on, now have a better harvest, so there's more coffee available on the other end. But we had an entity here which was not perfect, but it was trying hard to make sure standards are regulated so that we can compete globally, and also to negotiate better prices and so on.
Mr. Muwanga Kivumbi, Vice President for Uganda region, called for unity during these challenging times, urging members to keep the party's interests first amid rising chaos. He emphasized that the upcoming election is a do-or-die moment and declared that NUP is ready to defeat the government decisively.
As much as we are going to compete, never forget we are a family. We are a one family.
Amid loud cheers, NUP President Robert Kyagulanyi condemned the Ugandan government's use of scare tactics, denouncing the bombings around the city as unnecessary and unacceptable.
Now, you have seen reports awash media about the fake bombs, and these reports are coming from the UPDF itself. Well, they are admitting it now, but we've been seeing it and we've been questioning. Now, just recently, on Matters Day, you saw bombs going off on camera as if it was a movie, as if it was scripted. But unfortunately, there's human life involved here.
Kyagulanyi announced he has appointed a special committee led by NUP Western Region leader Joel Jacqueline to address disputes over certain positions following accusations of intimidation. He urged members facing such challenges to gather evidence and pursue their cases through official party channels.
That are in positions might use their positions against those that are smaller. But also, some leaders might also be targeted. So we must follow the matter to a logical conclusion.
He firmly stated that no voice would be silenced and no propaganda tolerated, urging members to stay focused and keep the momentum strong. He also called on ghetto youth not to be deceived by the government, emphasizing that it neither cares for them nor understands their struggles.
In order to clean their image. And that's why we always tell you that these people don't care about you. They will use you. They will dump you.
Compiled by Bob Muma for Church of Uganda, Family TV News at 8.